Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and also engaging with my content. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down my 4 weeks and 4 days old protective hairstyle. Before we jump right into that, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So as you can see, the hair still looks quite neat. The roots of the hair are quite old and itchy as well, so I don't feel comfortable taking this any further, so I have to take them down. So I'm going to be using, of course, my picker to make it easy for me to pick out this braid. So I have my spray bottle which contains water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to help ease this takedown. So I usually do rotate between using flaxseed gel, oils, or some cream sometimes, but today I want to try using a leave-in conditioner mixed with water on my spray bottle just to see how effective it's going to be, because I've seen some YouTubers use this leave-in conditioner to take down their protective hairstyle. So I'm just trying this out for the first time, so I just want to see if this is going to be easy. But as usual, looking at what I'm doing right here, the roots of my hair are already matting together, like they are matting together, so I have to add a little bit of the leave-in conditioner in order to just make it faster and make it easier. So this is the shading I got from this section, yeah, but I think this is just going to be as usual. I'm hoping that I don't lose much hair, so I'm just going to fast forward all these because takedown is not fun for me. Like, I can't lie to you guys, takedown is not fun at all, especially mini braids. If it were to be mini twist, I could just do this within a couple of hours and I'm done, but this can take me like up to 4 or 5 hours. Like, that is if I'm not distracted with anything, because they are small, they are not tiny, but they are small. That is why I don't do mini braids like all year round. I just pick some months in the year where I do it, maybe once or twice in a year, and the rest of the month I can go with mini twist, because that is quite easier than taking down mini braids. One thing you must know is that patience comes into play when you're taking down your mini braids, because if you're not careful, this is where you lose much of your hair, especially if you've gone as long as 4 weeks or 6 weeks or even 2 months. So you want to be careful. Anything that is going to help you take down your braids faster and easier is very much welcome. You can do anything that can help you make it easier. You can use anything that can make it easier for you. So the leave-in conditioner was working quite well because it still has some oils in it, so it's not as if my hands are dry or making my hair feel dry. Everything was going quite well, so I'm just going to do this a couple more for you guys to see. And apart from the fact that I'm fast forwarding this, because I don't want to keep you guys here for too long, in real time I'm taking my time, just taking my time so that I don't damage my hair. Again, you don't have to do this all at once, depends on your schedule. So probably you do a part of your hair today and the next day you continue. It's not something you must do all at once, but I had to do mine at a stretch because honestly I had other plans for the coming days, so I didn't want to have to do my hair in another day, so I just had to do it today. So I'm just going to keep on doing this, and of course, as I take down maybe like 3 or 4 braids, I group them together and just twist that section. I don't leave my hair out. As I'm taking them down, I'm going to be twisting them back up. This is just to prevent shrinkage. Like, you know, fussy hair shrinks a lot, and I want to keep my hair stretched. So one way to keep your hair stretched is to twist that section back up so that your hair does not shrink back, and then you have difficulty, you know, trying to separate them again. So this is it, guys. I'm going to just go ahead and take down all other section of camera because it's going to take time. So like I said, I'm going to do this off camera and show you guys what my hair looks like. So this is it, guys. I'm done. My hair is all detangled. I finger detangled them at least 70% detangled, so that my wash day is going to be easy and I don't have to struggle with matted hair. So this is what my hair is looking like, and yeah, I'm happy I could do this at this time. So please be gentle with your hair, because as much as it's good to do protective styles, it can also be damaging. This is all I lost from detangling my hair. Like, guys, this is much. The expert says that we lose 50 to 100 strands per day, and I've gone with this style for 4 weeks and 4 days, so I can't calculate that. But from my previous styles and takedown, I would say this is the highest that I've shared. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for the subscription, for the likes, for the engagement. And if you are still watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Kindly hit that subscribe button on your screen, turn on your post notification bell so that each time I drop a video, you'll be notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.